Tired of Looker Studio dashboards that look like a data dump instead of a clear story? Let's transform those chaotic visuals into stunning, professional dashboards in just a minute and a half. First, let's explore Looker Studio's built-in template gallery. From the Looker Studio homepage, click Template Gallery. At the top here, you'll find a range of pre-designed templates created by Google and the Looker Studio community. Browse through categories like marketing, sales, or web analytics to find a template that aligns with your data and reporting needs. Hover over a template to preview it. Once you've found a suitable template, click on it, and then click the Use Template button in the top right corner. Looker Studio will prompt you to select a data source. Choose the data source you want to connect to the template. Voila! The template will load with your data. Now for the fun part: customization. Change colors, fonts, and chart types to match your branding. Use the Style tab in the right-hand panel to adjust the visual elements of each component. Don't be afraid to experiment. Drag and resize elements to optimize the layout. Group related elements together for better organization. Remember, a great dashboard is easy to understand. Use clear labels, consistent formatting, and only include the most important data points. And that's it. You've transformed a generic template into a customized, professional dashboard. Share your masterpiece with your team and start making data-driven decisions today.